Welcome everybody, we finally got our room here at the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas, Nevada, and welcome to our suite. You enter right behind me into a very nice doorway. We're going to come back for the bathroom because I want to save that for last. Artwork on the walls, full-length mirrors. Yo. And are you ready for this? A full suite. I'm not talking no little couch shoved in the corner. This is a full-size living room with a workstation. Artwork. I mean, it's just amazing here. What is that? Like a 60-inch plasma or 60-inch TV right there. Stocked mini bar. We could also have our own refrigerator over here to use. This is pretty awesome. I'm controlling everything through this iPad they've got mounted here. So if I want all the lights off, I can put it on relax mode. I can just turn the bathroom. I can change their temperature. I can do anything I want to do. I can call a concierge if I want. Everything is controlled right there. More artwork on the walls. I can't focus on that too long because it's not appropriate for everybody. We've got a king-size bed. And again, save some of the best for last. Directly across from the bed is this massive closet with more artwork, 2 full-size robes, and on the other side of the closet is the safe, ironing board, hair dryers, things like that. And there is another flat screen TV to go with the bedroom. So this is how far away, this is how much room that we have in here. This is massive, guys. I'll tell you how much I paid for this in a minute. And now it's going to get a little loud. They're having a big old pool party down there, but we have a terrace room. So I'm going to step outside on the 53rd floor. That is the Las Vegas Strip. That's Las Vegas Boulevard. That's the airport. Obviously the ARIA is in front of us. All of this is the ARIA. We are on the 53rd floor. It's pretty quiet up here except for all that noise in the pool, but that'll quiet down later. They are having a big old pool party down there. I think you can see that. And outside on our patio, this is no little patio, guys. This is really wide. We've got a chair. We can just sit back here and chill out. And we got another chair, and we got some tables, and this is pretty awesome. Let me show you the bathroom. You're going to be very impressed with this. I'm floored. This is the best room, hotel room I think we've ever had. The Biltmore was on my #1 list. This has just beat the Biltmore. First off, double sinks, double mirrors, LED lights, face mirrors, lights for everything, every which way you can turn. Massive door. What is behind this giant door, you might ask? Your own private bathroom. Look at the silhouette on the wall. Art is everywhere here. You got your own private toilet area with a giant, heavy door, waterproof. And we move over here to a massive hot tub jacuzzi. Huge artwork on the wall again, and a walk-in shower that you could probably put 15 people in comfortably. I'm walking into the shower, guys. Let's just take a seat in the shower and take a look. Let's see what we got. We got an LED light up there. We got a nice waterfall type thing there. They provided some soaps and shampoos. And yes, I'm echoing in the shower. I'm pretty impressed, y'all. And how much did I pay for this luxury, you may ask? Oh, by the way, those lights for motion sensors. You don't have to touch them. You just walk in the room and they turn on. Can you make this private? Of course you can. There's this giant pocket door here if you want to shut this off for some reason. Anyway, we paid exactly $0. And then we paid $0 more in tax. And then we paid $0 more in resort fees. We literally paid $0 for this room for 2 nights. This is about a $300 a night room, maybe a little more on the weekends. Today is Sunday. How did that happen? Pretty simple. I used to have an account here at the Cosmopolitan ages ago. I gambled here, and then I hadn't been here in about 5 years. So they sent me an email. They said, hey, do you want a free room for a couple of nights? I said, yeah. And that was what, Leslie, 6 months ago?
Maybe.
Yeah, so we actually, how many?
Maybe 4 months.
4 months ago. So we planned this between 4 and 6 months ago. We can't remember now. That far out. We didn't know we were going RVing or anything like that. Back in those days, we just said, you know what, we'll just fly out there to Vegas for the free room. And it turns out we drove here. We drove about 20 minutes down the road from where we're staying in our RV. So I'm pretty impressed, guys. I'll get you some shots of the casino. I've already asked public relations for permission to film, but I already know I can film. They're very liberal about that here. And let's test the bed. This is the very important thing. Let me go move my bag real quick. Okay, ready for the bed test? Bed test. Oh man, that's soft. I thought it was gonna be hard. I was gonna hurt myself. I sunk right into that, guys. Woo, that's a good one. Wow, I'm in here. That's soft. That is that's a full king size bed, guys. It's too noisy. All right, I want to thank everybody for watching our little room tour at the Cosmopolitan here in Las Vegas, Nevada. You're going to see some more of this room and some more videos coming up soon. We got a lot of stuff planned. We're going to do some stuff. Hey, if you like gambling, I'm not going to put it on this channel, but if you like gambling, check out YouTube. Check out Scott Slots. That's me. I've got a new slot channel I just started up. Check it out. You're going to see me playing slots all over the place, including right here at the Cosmo. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, leave me some comments about your experiences in the Cosmo and your room experiences in particular. And hit the bell for notifications. I'll see you soon on the next video.